smart doorbell. This is actually a very good doorbell. I mean, it costs about $100 on Amazon, and it is much better than the one that I did the review. Last two reviews I did. So this is actually Zmodo is a very good brand. It has a motion detection, HD live video, mobile alert, two-way audio, voice matches, typical stuff that you can get from any bell. But this one, the shell is solid, and it's a very good brand. Like the software, the memory, and the processor is much faster on this guy. So I'm gonna walk you through my experience with this bell, and let's open it and let's see what we got inside. All right, guys. So that's what the bell is inside. Take the cover out, and I can take the bell out. Bell is pretty solid. You can see that there are two screws at the bottom. They're gonna hold the cover. The cover is right here. So you put the cover like this, tight the screws, and secure the bell. It's very solid. Like the front part is solid. Like it's not plasticky at all. It's all metal piece. That's what I like. It's really good. It comes with the cloud subscription, so you don't need to put a SD card here. Everything will upload it, connect with your network, and it will be loaded on the cloud. So let's put this on the side. It's very straightforward. There's nothing else inside. They give two pairs of screws to mount it on the wall, and the instruction manual. Instruction manual is pretty straightforward. Download the app and start connecting. So the next step is I'm gonna start downloading the app. All right, guys. So the next step is we're gonna disconnect this and put it right there. This is the back side of the plate right here, and goes right here. So we're gonna put this right here, and we're gonna take the wires and connect the wires right here. Right? So after that, it should start charging the bell right away. One thing I must say that I didn't like is it has its own built-in battery, and I don't like that. I mean, I like that you can put your own batteries in. So let's test it out, how long the battery is going to last. And they're saying it lasts like 3 years and it automatically charges. So let's put that to the test. Alright guys, so the plate is here. The next step is these screws right here. I'm going to put these on and we're going to tie this up so it's ready to go. Bell is connected now. I don't know if you can see, I'll try to focus, but it's really light green light right there at the button right there. That means it's charging. According to the instruction, give another 10-15 minutes to charge and then we can connect. I'll be very honest with you, the setup was very difficult. It is probably not my favorite so far. I'm gonna test the quality and all that, but so far the way it's set up, it's very difficult to set up this thing. So not guys, my at this time the bell is connected at the front door, and like I said, that the setup for the bell was pretty hard compared to the other bells that I've tested so far, especially for if you have a stucco. It's gonna be really hard for you to level it right by then flush it right by the wall. So try it. I mean, it was difficult so far. I was really disappointed. And the next step is download the Zmodo app. You can go on Google Play, Android, or Apple Store, and then you can download the Zmodo. So once you click on Zmodo, it's gonna ask you either you have an account. I already set up the account, or sign up. Now the funny thing is when you sign up, it asks you for your date of birth. that is really disappointing that you cannot type your data, but you have to really scroll all the way back where the year that you were born and then select that date. So very, very mismanagement. They try their best to copy Ring and Nest, and I'll show you the software. It's pretty good. So let's log in and I'll show you the software inside. All right, guys. So the next step is we're gonna set up the camera on it. So we're gonna click on here, and then wireless device and smart kit, and the wireless device is gonna look for the camera, which is right here, and we're gonna say, all right, that's the camera. We're gonna assign the name for it, front door, and password. And now the device is found, and we're gonna say, all right, the front door right there. It's there, start. Now it's a subscription-based service, so it's not really saving anything on the phone. So that's another thing you have to consider. Like, oh, okay. If you go back and say, like, okay, show me the live view, it's gonna show you the live view, which is pretty cheesy. Like you cannot, it does not have a 360, 180 degrees view. It's very just straightforward what it exactly is focusing on. So very disappointing on that part too. Now again, this is the entry level from Zmodo. So they have four different type of bell, and this is like the regular one. Now if you press record, it will record on your phone right here. If you press and hold, you can talk to the person outside. Oh wow. So that's the problem with S8, that it will go out. So let's click again. And now I don't know if you noticed that it's putting the date and the time right there. It does not look professional at all. The setting button right here, if you wanted to have the chime on, chime off, you can do that. Microphone on, microphone off. So you can do all those settings. If you have anything saved in the cloud, you can also share voice message. You can do cloud services, night vision, ring alert. So you can do a ring alert. You can say, hey, it's scheduled for notification permission. So you can say like, hey, I don't want to have anything coming in at night. I'm sleeping. So that's the software is definitely pretty good. Right here, you can put away, you can put home, sleep at night, and wake up. So all these settings automatically, naturally, if you're sleeping, it's not gonna ring the bell. If somebody is at your door, it's just gonna record. Wake up will wake you when you wake up. Then it's obviously you can receive calls and notifications and all that. When you're away, it will send you notifications and all that. So settings are decent. I mean, a good copy of Ring, and you can see the motion right there. Cloud, you can see what's in the cloud. So it's a pretty good software wise, but the quality of the camera and the setup, not recommended at all. Absolutely not. So guys, post any questions you have on this one. I really didn't like this. I don't want to spend too much time on it. I hate that the battery is not replaceable. I hate that it does not have a SD card inside. You have to get a subscription based service. So that's my feedback on it, and let me know if you guys have. Not, absolutely not. It was so difficult to set up on the front door. This door will never completely flush with your stucco. The way the setup is, the back cassette needs to be perfectly in, and it's less than a quarter inch of space to go mounted like this. Second thing is, it has its own battery. So when you connect it on the front door, it takes the power from there, charge the battery, which is a good thing. But then when the battery is bad, you're pretty much throwing the bell out and putting another bell in. So not recommended. The software, like I said, that especially when you're setting up the account, You have to press, depend how old are you, 20, 30 times to get the right date on it. Besides that, you have to pick whatever, $4.99 or $49 you wanted to pay yearly. So this is subscription-based service. If it's benefit to you, try it. Zmodo is a very good brand. They have a lot of different cameras. I have different cameras from them, and they are really good quality. Doorbell, this is an entry-level doorbell from them. They also have another 4 different models. So I'm probably gonna try those. But this one, definitely not. So take a look at it. Make sure you don't order this. This is on Amazon. All right, guys.